Let's do some of the examples of the complex compounds, and we have to give them the systematic names. This question is from the exercise that gives systematic names to the following complexes. So while giving the systematic names, we have to remember the IUPAC nomenclature, and by following the rules of the nomenclature, we will be assigning these compounds their name. The very first compound is having carbonyl group, and there are five uh, numbers of the carbonyl. So this is pentacarbonyl iron. Here iron has 0 valency, so this is pentacarbonyl iron 0. Next is hexaamine cobalt 3 chloride. After that we have hexaaqua iron 2 iron. In the next D compound we have sodium 6 fluoride, so this is hexafluoro cobaltate 3 ion. Then potassium tetracyanocuprate 2 ion, potassium hexachloro platinate 4 ion. In the G we have platinum and aqua amine and sulfate ion, so we will be naming it as tetraamine dihydroxo platinum 4 sulfate. The last one is triaqua trihydroxo chromium 3.